Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ifan Zakri. Now I'm going to continue our presentation about objective of our mini project. The first objective is to enhance client-server communication and shorten the ordering process. Second, to provide client with a few food alternatives to choose from based on their preference. 3. To create a system that will undoubtedly satisfy customer service and compute the charge automatically. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Iqmal bin Muhammad Muzaffar. I will present about introduction. One of the primary activities of eHomies food is the production of Malay food and Western food into many varieties of perishable food, as well as the sale of. In this case, the legal action has been pursued with the help of the court for the last 6 months and has received strong criticism from nearby and outside the city limit residents. Consequently, it is suggested that this eHomies food enterprise business be upgraded based on the market potential, the strong demand, and the positive reaction shown in the store current condition.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ifan Shafuddin. In problem statement section, there are several drawbacks to using C language, such as the fact that it may take longer to complete the code and that customer may enter incorrect information. Coding that is prepared to produce site applications design doesn't contain data like price list and food image. As a result, customer cannot place orders more efficiently and other data cannot be stored, and it can causing negative effects. For instance, interfacing error occur due to the incompatibility of the software problem with the hardware interface used. In the case of web applications, it usually happens due to incorrect use of web protocols. Other than that, syntax errors occurs when there is a spelling mistake on the keywords or when there is a mistake with the code structure. When a sentence error occurs where the code will not run normally because the computer cannot understand it, through investigation and code adjustment in C language and HTML will be carried out in order for the application website to be properly constructed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Haziq. In this slide, we are going to know about the flowchart for eHomies website. So for a flowchart is a visual representation of complex ideas, systems or algorithms. So the tool lends itself to a wide range of fields. A website flowchart is among the most common usage. So for the eHomies website, the flowchart is showing about the starting to entering the eHomies website. Then display will show the list of menu, and after that we are click to the let's order, and then there are two checkboxes state, which are food index and checkboxes for quantity. Then both of the checkbox are going to variable for our coding website. For next, the condition statement for this coding is if checkboxes is checked, so both quantity and price will be set as value and condition for our total calculation, which is price times quantities. Here, customer will see the total cost of all of the menu and quantity selected. And for the lastly, the code will end here. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Sharafuddin. I will present about pseudocode. Pseudocode is an informal way of programming description that does not require any strict programming language syntax or underlying technology consideration. It is used for creating an outline or rough draft of a program, and pseudocode summarize a program's flow but exclude underlying details. Our pseudocode is starting from start, display enter eHomies food website, display list of menu, display let's order, and for each food checkbox in checkboxes, if food checkbox checked then var index equal to food, and var quantity equal to parse int, var price equal to parse float, and var total is equal price times quantity, and if and for display n.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Now I will going to show the source code for this mini project. So this is the eHomies food.c C code. Next, this is a C code for total cost display. Next, this is the HTML code for eHomies food.c. We convert that C code to HTML code. And lastly, this is the HTML code for total cost. Next, I will going to show the demo of the result that we have successfully done.
Next is discussion. Here are some critical factors to consider based on our project. The first is the data structure. Before we start the coding process, we need to choose the best data structure to hold the reservation related data, including the customer name, reservation dates, table numbers, food kinds, and the total quantity of food needed. For instance, for efficiently organize and manage reservation data, we may use arrays, linked lists, or structure. After that, we decide to finish the project by utilizing a range of data types and control structure. There are options specific to each data types that is utilized in this programming. While float represent the sum of total price of beverages, integer is the initial data type and represent both the little and big portion of the price of beverage.
In conclusion, eHomies Food is developed website application for food ordering. All the important elements required in this website can be carried out properly. We have used C language to run the code and convert it to HTML and can use at Chrome. C language is more suitable for the low programming level applications. However, several issues may develop that create errors when running the program. eHomies food website application is divided into sections that serve distinct purposes like the menu page, order page, and cost calculation page. It will be easier for customers to order food and find out the necessary information related to the system. This adaptability enables the eFoods Homey system to be utilized on a variety of platforms, including desktop, PC, and mobile device for a variety of business demands and environments. So that's all from me. Thank you.